Welcome back to Plantopedia. In a modern home, plants are more than just nature, they are living design elements. If you're looking to elevate your space with clean lines and bold silhouettes, you're in the right place. Here are 5 stylish plants for modern homes.
First is the iconic fiddle leaf fig. With its massive, waxy, violin-shaped leaves and tall, slender trunk, it has become the gold standard for modern interior design.
It acts as a vertical masterpiece, perfect for filling a bright corner or flanking a large window. It brings an instant sense of scale and drama to any room. To keep it looking showroom ready, give it plenty of consistent, bright, indirect light and avoid moving it once it's settled. It loves stability as much as it loves the spotlight. Next is the giant bird of paradise. If you have high ceilings and want a tropical architectural feel, this is the plant for you. Its oversized, paddle-shaped leaves create a bold structural fan that feels both exotic and incredibly sophisticated. Maintenance tip. These plants are sun seekers. Place it in your brightest room to ensure those massive leaves stay upright and vibrant. As they age, the leaves naturally split, adding to its unique character. For a truly minimalist look, the pencil cactus is unmatched. Its thin, succulent branches create a delicate coral-like silhouette that looks stunning against a plain white wall. It's a master of less is more. Because it lacks traditional leaves, it offers a clean, skeletal aesthetic that complements mid-century modern or industrial decor perfectly. Be careful with placement. Its sap can be irritating, so keep it in a spot where it won't be bumped. It's a low-water plant that thrives on neglect and high light. For a bold, moody statement, we have the rubber tree. Specifically, the burgundy variety offers deep, near-black foliage that provides a striking contrast in a bright, modern room. It's a vertical grower with thick, glossy leaves that look almost like polished stone. It's the perfect choice for an office or a living room where you want a sense of structured architectural greenery. Quick tip: to maintain that designer shine, wipe the leaves regularly with a damp cloth. This removes dust and allows the plant to breathe, keeping its growth vigorous and its colour deep. Finally, the indoor olive tree. This plant brings a soft Mediterranean elegance to modern spaces with its silver-green foliage and thin, airy branches. It's the ultimate choice for a minimalist chic vibe. It provides a more delicate texture compared to the broad leaves of a fig or monstera. To keep your olive tree thriving indoors, it needs a lot of light, ideally 6 to 8 hours a day. It's a sturdy, timeless piece that only gets more beautiful as the trunk matures. At Plantopedia, we appreciate these resilient species for their bold presence and their ability to turn a simple room into a living masterpiece. By following these simple steps, you're not just growing a single plant, you're building a thriving, living masterpiece. Give your collection the care it deserves. This video is part of Plantopedia's growing plant library on YouTube. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.